How to grow mint indoors. Keep fresh mint Mentha SPP at your fingertips all year, growing in pots on the windowsill, porch, or in a sunny room. Mint, which grows in U.S. Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 4 through 9, depending on the variety, is available in a variety of fresh, flavorful types. Look for the tried and true standbys like peppermint Mentha piperita, hardy in USDA zones 5 through 9, or try one of the exotics like chocolate mint Mentha piperita NF. Citrata chocolate or lemon mint Mentha piperita NF. Citrata, both hardy in USDA zones 5 through 9. Pots, potting soil, and drainage. Grow mint in an 8 to 12 inch diameter pot with at least one hole in the bottom for drainage. Mint is particularly sensitive to wet feet, growing in a soggy environment where water can build up around the roots. Plastic and terracotta pots both work well and are readily available, as do metal, wood, and glazed clay pots. Use potting soil mixed with compost and perlite to add nutrients and improve drainage. Mix 2 parts potting soil with 1 part each perlite and compost. Clean garden sand and vermiculite both work in place of perlite. Soil moisture, watering, and light. Keep the potting soil consistently moist when growing mint indoors. Watering frequency depends on growing conditions. For example, unglazed clay and wood pots dry out faster than plastic or glazed clay pots, and potting soil dries out faster when it's hot and sunny. Feel the soil and water if it starts to feel dry 1/2 to 1 inch deep. If you use a tray to collect excess water, empty it after every watering. Grow mint in a spot that gets bright direct light for at least 6 hours per day. Indoor plants will lean toward the sun. To keep them growing straight, turn pots once a week to expose both sides to the sun. Fertilizing and flushing salt buildup. Fertilize mint twice a month with a liquid or water-soluble fertilizer. For each plant, use 1/2 teaspoon diluted in 1 gallon of water. Soak the soil until it is saturated through to the bottom with the diluted fertilizer. After potting up a new mint plant, wait 3 weeks before you begin fertilizing regularly. Over time, salts from water and fertilizer can build up in the soil, potentially damaging mint plants. If this starts to happen, you'll notice white deposits on top of the potting soil. Flush salt out of the potting soil by moving the container outdoors or to a sink or tub, then running 8 to 10 gallons of water for an 8 to 12 inch diameter pot through the soil, allowing it to drain freely from the holes in the bottom. Repeat monthly. General health and managing mint rust. Although generally hardy, occasionally mint succumbs to diseases, particularly mint rust. Keep plants healthy by avoiding over-fertilizing, which can stress plants, and watering the soil without getting leaves wet. If rust is developed, characterized first by rust orange-colored spots on stems and leaves, get rid of those plants. Once advanced, mint rust causes leaves to turn black and die. Sanitize containers by scrubbing them with household disinfectant and adding new potting soil before replanting fresh mint plants. Air circulation is important indoors. Keep pots in an open, screened porch or near open windows. Alternately, set up a fan on low near the plants.